One of my shorty pachachi, I shall see if you were man deep and Giagola war. Near I shall eat quaduna. Near I shall eat quadu. Near here. I pachasia. I pachasia. Then I see so you call them if I name. Like I see. So, I pachaji. Anna dem if a pump king always drag and to kitchen so that you will know how to cook some local dish. Anaha mama, especially the women's, the girls. One name abo name on what and why. Good way in so ne kuoko. Come work is where it's seen. Oh, yeah, you're quite like all guy jetty. Our guy jetty fan near mama puts or restaurants every day. You can create now your mazzy go after. Okay, well, man, if I never life. Okay, BG. I charge you with CG. On a few places, I watch. So, because you don't want case, I watch. I hear the ever. If I am right. I CG. I CG. I CG. So I have a Shagoji. If you okay, this krill they come up for yam. Even a village now, na goat food it be cheap and less of it. Na goat food, well. So now we the wash yam. See it. Washing of yam. You see pot. So this is size B. We are setting it on the pot. So if you look at now, you see this is a leaf. Different kind of leaf. I not want care. But on day. This one yeah. Why this one no good? Go. So that is what we are used to prepare this food. This one by oil. You see that I have set this food. Oh, see it. So we have to follow each step by step. So don't go away. Continue washing it. Thank you. It's pepper. We will pan this pepper. Okay. This one is pepper. Fresh pepper. We are panning. Yes. Then we enter kitchen. That's how it's supposed to be. Okay. You see it. We don't pan the pepper. Put it in the separate place. So see, you want to wash this leaf. You want to wash this. So I don't slice onions. I don't slice onions. So you see that ball? Wow. You add salt. This is the salt. You add salt on it. You add more salt. So you want teach women how they cook because they not sabi anything. Okay? You cover it. Okay. Today, that is butter. Yam. done. See it. So this one is the leaf. Ogo. Bolonde. If I name address, Nakashi. If I name address. One name go. You see it. Go, done. So it's a tiny shop. So that's what I want to tell you. Say to woman, no be, men they know they make mouth. Men cook part them. Hey, go. Go. This is Jiagwalagwo. If I be Jiagwalagwo come, they buy. I really Jiagwalagwo. Women they no sabi anything. They no sabi how to cook. Na me talk am. Women they no sabi how to cook. So this one Jiagwalagwo. Contact. Okay. That is my video. Yeah,